What's going on, everybody? I wasn't expecting to be making this video this soon. As you guys can probably tell, maybe some of you can, maybe some of you can't, but if you look up on top of the cab right there, I found a third brake light brand new on Marketplace last night for 20 bucks, so I had to go pick it up. And now it ties in really well with the tail lights. I mean, I think that looks so much better than the blacked out one I had. But yeah, like I said, I wasn't expecting to be making this video. I did make a video prior to this one here of me putting that thing on, but unfortunately, I don't know where it went. I guess it got deleted, I don't know. But yeah, I did have a video of me putting it on there, which those things are very straightforward. You got two bolts holding it in, and you got a clip holding the connector together, and then that's it, and you pop it back in and you're good to go. But I think that looks so much better now. It ties in so well. You hear that exhaust, man? This thing sounds so good. Look at that paint, man. God almighty. Just some small imperfections. Man, check that thing out. That'd be a sweet lineup. The Suburban, the C1500, the Sierra, and then the Ram. I guess I need to keep the Ram for a little bit longer and trade it in and get another Chevy, I guess. That way everything's uniform. Everything's GM. But yeah, man, I think the truck's coming together real nicely. And I did a front end alignment yesterday. I aligned a little bit better. Now that's way better. Just had to adjust the, what would it be, the camber a little bit, the upper control arms, I think. So what it is, I'm not 100% sure. It might be caster, I don't know. But yeah, I adjusted that a little bit better, so now that's like it's supposed to be. The next thing I really want to get for this truck is going to be a cow hood. I think a cow hood on this thing right now, oh my God, even with the stock wheels, I think it would look so good. Let me know what you guys think. And another thing I was want to ask you guys, I seen online that somebody polished these wheels and made them like super shiny. I don't know how that would look on this truck. Keep these wheels on it and then do some 35, some 35, 10, 50, 15s. I think that would look pretty good. I don't know. I do want to do, you know, reps on this thing. So I might just wait and hold off. Don't know, because like, I mean, you can get 15-inch wheels and tires for like $700. So it'd be more, you know, wallet friendly than, you know, spacers on the rear, changing the front hub assembly, and then buying tires and wheels. But, you know, if you're going to do it, you might as well do it right, you know what I mean? Because I eventually want to put 6 lug on here anyway, so I mean, we might just do it that route. Not 100% sure. The next video that I'm probably going to be making, it's going to be including all 3 trucks. I'm going to show you guys like the difference in this 2-wheel drive compared to the 4-wheel drive trucks on the lift kits. Because this one here has got a 4-inch lift. It is 2-wheel drive, and it is on, you know, stock tires. I'm sure if I put the 35s on there, it would set a little bit taller, not much. But as you can see with this one here, it don't have an engine in it. And these are the same tires, same size. And I mean, it's still about probably a 3-inch difference. Because when you take the motor out of the front of these things raise up. Like now this thing sets level. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's level now. So yeah, that's kind of cool to see how much that lift actually did. But yeah, that's going to be the next video. Like I said, it's going to include all 3 trucks, the Ram, the GMC, and the OBS. I'm actually probably going to pull those out now anyways and show you guys how they look and get the tape measure out and do some measurement. Because like I said, the Ram, it's on a leveling kit. The GMC's on a 2 to 3 inch. It's supposed to be a leveling kit as well. I don't consider it really a lift, honestly, because I don't put cross members on it or anything like that. Anything without a cross member, I don't really consider a lift. If you're not changing cross members and all that, doing any cutting, I feel like it's just a leveling kit, honestly. Unless you do like spindles on a 2-wheel drive, then sure, that's considered a lift to me. Because I mean, shoot, you can put spindles on a 2-wheel drive and make those things super tall. But yeah, enough of me rattling about lift kits. Let me know what you guys think of the old third brake light. Everything works. I've already checked it. I might make a video of how it looks in the dark. I don't know yet. But yeah, just check it out. Those taillights look so good now with the sun hitting them. This thing's turning out really nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the other trucks, pull them out, and then I'm gonna be making that other video just showing you guys like the lift comparisons of all three of them. Just sit back and admire this thing. Just considering what it come from like literally a month and a half ago with no engine in it to this, it's crazy. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we got a lot more stuff coming for all three trucks, mainly this one for right now, but yeah, for all three. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.